In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make some curry fried chicken. Yes, curry fried chicken, it is a thing. I did it before and I loved it, so I chose to film it this time. So for this recipe, we're gonna start off with our washed, cleaned and tapped dry chicken wings. Here we have salt and black pepper, green seasoning, and in here I have some pimento berries. Of course, the star of the show, curry powder. Now in here I have better pack curry powder and chief's curry powder. I do a blend for all my curry dishes. I'll also be using some garlic powder and some poultry seasoning. Let's get right to seasoning. First, we're starting by going in with our black pepper and salt. And then next we have our green seasoning. This is how it looks, all grounded. Now you can buy it already grounded as well, but I just like to do it myself. And next I'm just going to go in with that poultry seasoning, garlic powder, and the curry powder. And now we're just gonna mix everything together. It is all seasoned. Allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then we're gonna start the frying process. So I seasoned the flour with the same seasonings I used on the chicken, minus the green seasoning, of course, and I also went ahead and added some cornstarch. Now the cornstarch will help with that crispy texture. So now we're gonna start to flour our pieces of wings, place them on this tray right here, and start the cooking process. Now we're gonna start to fry the chicken, and the oil is heated already. Guys, see how beautiful this looks? Beautiful. And this is how it looks in the end. Now I paired this with a curry garlic paste, and I'll put the ingredients of how I made that dipping sauce. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to the next one. See you guys in my next video. Bye.